Guys, so this is your hammering tutorial. I'm just going to show you how. So, as you can see, you have a nail here, and then you have your hammer. So I have my block of wood. I hold the nail at the bottom, and then I whack it. Not too hard just yet. Then once it feels stable, which it's not yet, once it's stable, you can take your hand away, and then you can whack it. But let's say I wanted to take it out because it wasn't in the correct spot or it started bending or something. Then I would flip it to the other side right here. I would put that in right there. And then I would just bring it out like that. Sometimes it's a little hard because it's deep in. But yeah, see, so then the nail's clean now. So then that is your hammering tutorial. Happy hammering, y'all. Bye.